Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 1987 Buick Grand National. It's a 200 car, 29,000 miles, and just about all original. It's one of the nicest ones I've seen. Got all the original documentation, including the original bill of sale, window sticker, owner's manuals, everything. Definitely an exceptional example. Super straight body. Paint is gorgeous. Original paint on this car. It's got brand new BF Goodrich radial TAs all the way around. New exhaust system as well. It's a direct fit system. Polished tips. 100% stock. Interior is gorgeous. And it's loaded with options. If you've been looking for one of these for a while, this is it. Just doesn't get any nicer than this car. You can have any color you want, as long as it's black. 29,870 miles. Amazing. A little chilly here today. It's about 30 degrees. Added odometer gauges, water and oil. Dash is perfect. As you can see, it's not been modified. There's no Scan Master in here or anything. Have the original window sticker, warranty assistance, the guide to Buick Grand Nationals, owner's manual. This is the original bill of sale that came from the original owner. This car is loaded with an 18,848 sticker. Lots of options. Here's your RPO. The owner drives his car with his socks on. Puts his shoes in the trunk. is. Do have the original air box as well. That's included with the sale. The K&N air filter just lets it breathe a little bit. This unit here is brand new. That's been replaced. Most of them do fail. I would say all of them fail. There's also a K&N breather on the valve cover. Nice as it gets. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Again, my number is 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.